Welcome to the Real Callings Crypto community, a place of clarity, a place of refuge, a place where you don't have to gamble with your financial future. Here, we don't chase hype. We don't jump from coin to coin, hoping luck will save us. We focus on safe strategic plays that prepare you properly for the bull run. Right now, the whole community is moving with one project that's catching fire everywhere. Kind Cat Token. Kind, the $1 trillion meme that hugs back. If you missed Peep, if you slept on Shiba Inu, this is your second chance, and the Real Callings community is telling you boldly, don't miss this one. Most people buy coins and wait until the market dips, wait until life pressures them to sell at a loss, wait until frustration sets in. Why? Because nothing is coming in while they wait. But here, we do it differently. With Kind Cat Token, you can stake your tokens, keep them safely inside your own wallet, watch them appreciate for the bull run, and earn passive income every single day. So what is staking? Staking simply means locking your tokens on the blockchain for a short period and receiving rewards daily while your capital remains 100% yours. Only you can unstake. No admin, no developer, nobody. Our highest plan currently pays over 20% every 30 days, paid daily. Imagine earning quietly every day while your tokens grow for the future. That's how smart money moves. How to start? 1. Download BitGet. 2. Fund with BNB. 3. Buy at least 50,000 Kind. 4. Stake it. 5. Start earning daily while positioning for the bull run. This staking system is a community promo, not a Ponzi. Your tokens stay in your wallet, secured by blockchain. Now, listen closely. This community boasts 85% accuracy in crypto signals. Everything is public on our Telegram. All the calls, all the results, all the profits. We don't hide. We don't fake. You can verify everything. And please join all our groups on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, and X so you can never miss updates, opportunities, or airdrops in case any platform gets restricted. Now, an important part. This community is not for spectators. It's not for people who want to watch others succeed. It's for people who are ready to learn, take action, and earn passive income. We're not begging you to believe us. If what we offer doesn't match your goals or you're not ready to grow, please kindly leave. Our groups fill up fast, and we need space for people who are serious and ready to change their lives. And for those who stay, we hope you find value here. We hope you learn. We hope you earn. And we hope you'll soon testify like the several thousands who already have. Also remember, ask questions in the group, not privately. Real Callings manages over 10,000 people across platforms, and replying the same thing in 200 DMs is impossible. When you ask in the group, everyone learns together. You can DM Real Callings only for emergencies, wallet errors, serious risk, or matters needing urgent clarity. We also host free spray party airdrops from time to time for active members. Just set up Penny wallets to participate. Finally, don't be silent. Share your wins. Talk about your staking progress. Invite others. Grow the community. Your voice matters. Crypto is fast. Opportunities don't wait, and those who move early celebrate loudly later. Welcome again to the Real Callings Crypto community. Let's build wealth with intention together.